Om Sri Sai Ram. Highlights of SSSGC Zone 5 activities in 2024 offered at Thai Lotus Feet. SSSGC Brunei. Ramadan Narayana Seva is carried out every year during the Ramadan fasting month, catering to the poor migrant workers in the construction sectors hailing from Bangladesh, Indonesia, and India. Dry provisions are distributed to ease their hardship. SSSGC Indonesia. There are two Sai clinics operating actively every Wednesdays and Sundays. One of the Sai clinic is located in SSSGC Jakarta Sai Center's premises and the other is located in Selincing. Selincing is a very underdeveloped area which lacks in medical facilities. Hence, the Sai clinic is a beacon of hope for the residents there. There are 40 medical personnel involved in this seva. Smile, Serving Mankind Inspire Love Everywhere is a program by SSSGC Indonesia, which is a combination of education and Seva Wing. The aim is to teach English to the underprivileged children infused with human values. The classes are conducted every Sunday. Smile program also regularly conduct parents-teachers meeting and annual graduation ceremony. Blood donation drives are conducted by two size centers in SSSGC Indonesia on regular basis. An average annual liquid love collected is 280 liters. Forever 19 is a program by SSSGC Indonesia Mahila Wing. This is inspired by Ladies' Day, which falls on every 19 November as chosen by Swami. On the 19th of every month, the Mahilas join hands to organize a meaningful program such as Seva, Bhajan and prayer. SSSGC Laos. Two Sai centers in Laos, together with Sri Satya Sai School Laos, carry out Vagrant Narayana Seva every Thursday, serving an average of 240 vagrants without fail. The food is lovingly cooked at the Sai School canteen and thereafter served by different classes of students every Thursday. Indian Prime Minister Modi ji meets Sai School students in Laos. SSSGC Malaysia. Sri Satya Sai Animal Care comprises of three components, namely pet adoption drive, Narayana Seva and neutering. Stray puppies and kittens rescued and rehabilitated from the streets are put for adoption via this drive. 220 puppies and kittens have found their loving families in 2024. Narayana Seva for the strays and monkeys are carried out annually on Swami's Aradhana Mahotsavam and Swami's birthday. Last component of Sri Satya Sai Animal Care concentrates on neutering for population control of the strays, especially when they are always subjected to harsh reality of not being wanted or accepted by the community. 67 strays have been neutered in 2024. Service across borders. Disaster relief by SSSGC Malaysia in terms of financial assistance for victims of Wayanad landslide in July 2024 and Sri Lanka flood in December 2024. Water for Life project is an initiative to provide clean water supply for the villagers in Gaya district. The installation of water pump has eased villagers' burden of having to travel to fetch water for basic needs. A total of 57 water pumps have been installed in Gaya district throughout 2024. Sai School in Bihar was built by SSSGC Malaysia to accommodate 40 underprivileged children from Pipra village, Bihar. The children range from 5 to 13 years old. Classes are conducted 3 hours daily. The children are taught English, Hindi, mathematics and human values. Let's have a look at how the children are able to read now.
My name is Ayush Kumar. My father's name Babu Paswan. I live in class 3. I come from Bihar. My hobbies are playing football. I am 8 years old. I live in Pipra village.
A new 12-seater battery-operated buggy was added by SSSGC Malaysia to ashram services on 6 September 2024. Chaitanya Jyoti renovation and refurbishment by SSSGC Malaysia commenced on 24 August 2024 and is expected to be completed in September 2025 as an offering of love for Bhagwan's 100th birthday. SSSGC Singapore. Water purification projects have been carried out in 3 remote villages in Puttaparthi, benefiting 3,500 villagers. Apart from that, 15 lavatories have also been built. Grama Seva was conducted by distributing meals and children's school needs. On Swami's Aradhana Mahotsavam 2024, 40 students of Sri Satya Sai Kindergarten Singapore spread love and kindness by distributing 70 food packets to seniors of a home. The children also entertained the seniors with dance performances and gave their artwork as token of love to the seniors. Sri Gayatri Mahayagna has been conducted by Sri Satya Sai Vedic Society Singapore together with SSSGC Singapore in Puttaparthi, Singapore and Malaysia. This yagna is religiously conducted to promote global peace and wellness. SSSGC Taiwan. 108 vegetarian meal boxes and drinks are served to the homeless every month without fail. The youths are the leaders of tomorrow. As such, SSSGC Taiwan have started grooming them young. The activities for the youths are meant to foster harmony of the head, heart and hands through various seva and thematic activities. Blood donation drives have been actively carried out by SSSGC Taiwan and have received several awards from the Taiwan Blood Bank. Over 8,000 bags of liquid love have been collected thus far. Senior Support Group is a seva for the elders where they learn clean and healthy living, manage emotions and their mental strength by practicing yoga, dancing and playing games together. Thank you and Jai Sai Ram.